welcome back. This is Leena. So I'll be reviewing this favorite product of mine. This is like my favorite beauty brand, and it's from my favorite beauty guru, Huda Beauty, and this is her brush, foundation brush. So it's called Huda Beauty Face Blend and Buff Brush, complexion brush, and it comes in a package like this. So guys, I got this from Nykaa.com and it was for about 1800 rupees, and I couldn't wait to review this brush. I haven't used it till now, so I thought I will share this experience with you all. So let's start with opening this product. So this is the packaging that it comes in. Here you have the brush. I really couldn't wait to try this. It is really soft. Wow, it feels great. So what's written behind it says face buff and blend complexion brush made with synthetic fibers. So this is what it looks like. Has the Huda Beauty logo and looks like this. So let's try it now. Firstly, I'm gonna moisturize my face, do the daily routine that we always do to apply foundation. I will use a face primer to just see how the brush application is. Let's start. So for this, I'll be using my Makeup Forever foundation, and I'm just going to take a little bit of foundation. I'm just taking this much product. I just want to see how the brush blends. So here it goes. Start with applying it on this side. You can see it, guys. I just took very little product and it blends really well. I don't even have to like buff it really well into my skin. So let's try it this side. It kind of gives you like that airbrush kind of a finish. It's really soft and it's really good. So I'm going to take a little bit of more product and I'm going to apply it all over my face. So this angle that they've given, I think works really well for me, because I always like to use a brush to apply my foundation. I don't really use beauty blenders. So especially under the eye, this becomes really easy. If it's a round brush, that's very difficult to apply your foundation on this area. So I've applied it all over my face and there's still more product left. I don't need it. I think this is good enough for me. So guys, it's a total yes from me. I love this brush. It's so soft and it blends really well. The applications become really easy, and you don't waste a lot of product. So it's a must buy. Yes, from the price point of view, it's a little expensive, but it's worth it, I think, guys. It's Huda Beauty and I love all the products. Thank you so much, Huda, for making this brush. And hit the like button, guys, if you like this video, and if you've tried it and if you have any comments, let me know in the comment section below. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and I will see you soon, guys. Bye.